Hello everybody, I just want to do a quick review over this juicer that I bought on Amazon. It's kind of cool. It has a quick reference guide on how to assemble this juicer. Looks really good. It has a thank you. So in this is the stopper that you use to push the fruit or vegetables down in your juicer to make sure that it's going through. And it's very nicely graded here so that it can have a grip. Okay, so let's open this. It has the manuals, and this part is the top of the juicer. Here we have the top. Now, if you've never had a juicer before, this is where you put in all the food, or the fruits and vegetables. Alright, let me take the back. Okay. Alright, this is really nice. I really like the height, and it's like stainless steel looking. So you put in the fruit here, the fruit and the vegetables, the juice comes out here, and then all the remains come out there. Now, they come out and they go into this, just like that. You can hook it up underneath here, and it's a great way to have a juicer. So I'm excited to try this. It looks very well made, and you can get some extra in here. Oh, look at that. That's great. This is to catch the juice. Usually you have to just put a bowl. That'd be great. Anyway, this is perfect because you can just put it in here, and then you can pour it out through here. Pour it out through here, put it in here, and get it all. There you go. Ah, bam, bam. Look at that. That's very cool. I love that. So, you're going to get the juice in and get your healthy life. All right, bye.